A local business owner in Alpharetta, Georgia laid out some rat traps to try and control a rodent problem. The traps were effective at catching something, only it wasn't a rat, but instead 4 black cats stuck in the trap by accident. They're in good hands in this picture, being cleaned up by the folks at nonprofit Angels Among Us Pet Rescue in Georgia. But the rescue process was a bit of a sticky situation. The group explains the rescue on their Facebook page in the words of the Good Samaritan who saved the kittens. The man heard a noise that sounded like seagulls. When he went to try and find the source of the noise, he came across a little furry tail under one of the shelves. It was a little kitten. When he pulled out the glue traps, he found one with its face stuck to it. So he took some scissors and cut around the trap to free the helpless kittens one by one. After calling animal control, the kittens were taken to Angels Among Us Pet Rescue where they could get the help they needed. All 4 kittens went from this to this. The rescue group says they're doing great and eating like little piggies in their foster home. Once they're older, they'll be up for adoption. And the business got rid of their rat traps to make sure this never happens again. I'm Sean Dowling for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.